Namaste children. Last week we have started the lesson Up in the Sky. In that we have seen about Earth, solar system and about sun. And today we are going to see about moon. As sun, moon is also round in shape. You all know Earth moves around the sun and here moon moves around the Earth. So, moon is called as Earth's natural satellite. What is the difference between planet and a satellite? Planet moves around the sun while satellite moves around a planet. Here, Earth is a planet which moves around the sun and moon is a satellite which moves around the planet. When you see from the Earth, both sun and the moon appears to be of same size. But actually, moon is much smaller than the sun. Then how it looks big? Because moon is much closer to the earth. The moon does not have any light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun and shines. You all know all living things need air and water to survive. As there is no air and water on the moon, there is no life on moon. Phases of the moon. The moon seems to change its shape every night. This is because the position of the moon changes in relation to the sun and the earth. The changing shapes of the moon are called the phases of the moon. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, we do not see the moon. This is called new moon. In 2 or 3 days later, the moon looks like this, which is called crescent moon. Within a week, we see half of the moon called the first quarter. When we see more than half of the moon, it is called gibbous moon. In 2 weeks' time, we see the full moon, which we all love to see. Stars. Up in the sky, we see countless stars twinkling in the sky. They can be big or small. Dear children, do you know sun is also a star which is present at the center of the solar system? And it is the star nearest to the earth. Stars have heat and light of their own, but as it is far away from us, we do not feel the heat and can barely see the light. Stars appear to form some interesting patterns. That is, if you connect it, it seems like an animal, people or things. Such patterns are called constellations. One of the clearest constellation is the Great Bear constellation. That is, if you connect the pattern, it seems like a bear. Some other constellations are Scorpius, the Scorpio, and Leo, the lion. Dear children, 3 things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. So always be honest and truthful. Thank you, children.